Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make an automatic hand sanitizer system. So COVID is again returning back and it is better to use an automatic hand sanitizer system rather than using a normal sanitizer system, because in normal sanitizer system you have to touch the sanitizer physically. So I will recommend in this situation you must all use automatic hand sanitizer system, and it is not a very difficult task to build it. You can build it at your home. So I will not waste your time friends, and I will try to show the entire video how to build it, and I will start the project. Here is the circuit diagram for automatic hand sanitizer. So the main thing you require is the proximity sensor. Here is the proximity sensor. It consists of 3 port: out, ground and VCC. So the out must be connected with 1k resistance or 10k resistance to base of transistor. I have used TIP32C. The collector part will be connected with the positive terminal of the pump. The negative terminal of the pump will be connected with the USB negative. The emitter will be connected with VCC and the ground will be connected with ground. So here is the simple circuit diagram for automatic hand sanitizer. Have a look. So the material required will be proximity sensor, TIP32C transistor, a pump and resistance. So let's start the build part. Friends, I have already completed the build part. Only final touch up is pending. You can see it here. It is working fine. Let's have a look. Friends, the total product is completed. You can see it here. I have put a protection of the circuit at the top. Now I have connected the system with power bank, and you can see it will work fine. So hopefully all of you have liked this video. So please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the bell button. Thank you.